Infrastructure as a service cloud platforms like Office 365 allow organizations to move from the traditional infrastructure of housing their applications and their data inside the network. By moving to a cloud solution, you're able to mitigate those costs by offsetting that to the cloud service like Office 365. However, when you do this, your data, the life force of your organization, also moves outside of the network, and therefore you are entrusting a third-party application to provide the same on-premise security controls as you've put in place into a new cloud environment. And Forcepoint offers a number of different ways in which you can apply those different security controls to the cloud and therefore bridge the security gap between the on-premise and the cloud. Let's talk through a couple of those scenarios. Forcepoint is able to apply advanced email protection controls on inbound emails to Office 365 using the Forcepoint ACE engine and some sophisticated technology like the URL sandbox that leverages Forcepoint's web gateway protection for advanced threat links embedded within emails. The Triton Manager is also able to apply policies on the email gateway to protect sensitive data as it flows out from an Office 365 email to a third-party mail server using an MTA placed within the Azure marketplace. Using those same policies, you can discover what sensitive data has already been moved to Office 365 using the Forcepoint AP Data Discovery technology that will crawl across all Office 365 applications to determine where your sensitive data is within the cloud. You again use those same policies to apply controls on your endpoints to protect against data loss and send the particular sensitive data as it moves to the cloud. If you can't use the endpoint, Forcepoint's Cloud Agent can apply those same policies to the Office 365 applications using a virtual appliance based within Azure. Once your sensitive data has moved to the cloud, Forcepoint is able to fingerprint that content from within those Office 365 applications and then apply policies on your endpoint to protect against the incorrect usage of that sensitive data. And again, we can apply those policies to the Cloud Agent virtual appliance if you want to protect against that sensitive data from leaving the Office 365 environment and going to an external or home machine. Forcepoint offers a centralized policy and risk reporting that is able to bridge the gap between your cloud and on-premise security postures.